Hello and welcome once again to the Witcher Math channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today's broadcast is brought to you with commercials and markers. Here we go. Today we're working on an integer addition and subtraction. First of all, what's an integer? Positive numbers, whole numbers, negative whole numbers, and take a guess. What do you think? Positive and negative whole numbers, including zero. And today's strategy we're going to work on is doing addition and subtraction problems using a number line, specifically focusing on that today, working on this skill, and then deciding if it's something you like and if you want to use it in different situations. That becomes your choice. Yeah. So first thing I'm going to do is make a couple of amazing number lines. When constructing number lines, in fact, let's make the problems first. Let's start with a positive and a positive, and then let's also do a negative plus a positive. Okay, so on this one, I can strategize that, hey, these are all positive values. On a number line, positive means go right. Negative means, you got it, go left. So we want to plan where to put the zero. Always use a zero. This one's all positive, so I'm going to put the zero way over here, because I know I'm moving this way. So step one, start at 0. Do the first movement, in this case is right 3. And you don't have to write the word right. You don't have to write that word right, or this one. But if you're thinking directionally, moving to the right, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to label that movement. And we're going to go, instead of thinking plus, we're thinking right 4. So from that first movement, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know you already knew it was 7, but we're training you on using a number line. Excuse me. And we land on 7. And if you're supposed to rewrite as an equation, you would be thinking right 3, right 4 lands on 7. There we go. Now let's get tricky with it a little bit. Okay, this time I'm going left 3 and right a little bit more than that, so I'm going to put my 0 kind of right in the middle there. Always start with the 0. So we're going to do first movement, which is left 3. I'm going to switch pen colors here. Let's go pink with a skinnier marker. Starting at 0, going left 3, marking it. And then we're going right 5. You got it. So from that left 3, we're going to go back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I don't like that blue one. Let's get another blue one. Okay. And where do we land? I'm going to put hash marks just to capture the movement. We land on 2. So to rewrite as an equation, just go left 3, right 5, land on 2. Done. Okay. Got the concept there? I'm going to write 3 more practice ones for you. All you need to do is follow our examples that we have of drawing the number line, put the 0 on there, plan ahead the best you can, document the movements, and rewrite as equations. Let's do number 1. Number 2. Copy these down while we're going here. In a moment, I'll pause the video. You do the work. There you go. Go ahead and pause that. Draw some number lines and write as equations. I'll come back in just a minute. Go! Hey, we're back. Here we go. Step 1. These are going to be going both left, so my number line, I'm leaving plenty of room above and below so I can document everything. But since I'm going all left on this one, I'm going to put my 0 at the right. On number 2, I'm starting to the right, and then I'm continuing pretty far. You'll see in a minute what I mean. Excuse me, just had my smoothie. This one I'm going to put the 0 kind of in the middle. Just planning ahead. Okay. So first one, we're going left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And left. We're doing some new language here, maybe, just a little bit different. Left 2 more, which lands us at left 7. So I'm going to write the equation. I went left 5 and left 2. Do the parentheses matter here? No, I'm just using them to organize my thinking. Take them or leave them, it's up to you. And I landed on -7. Left 5 and left 2 landed on left 7. Good? Good. Next. Here's where we're thinking of this as saying opposite of. We're not thinking minus, okay? So we're going to start here. And I'm going right 5 because it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, I went too far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right 5. And the opposite, here's the word of, this is also important, these little words. Opposite of left 3. What's the opposite of left? Right. So I'm going to go from right 5, then I'm going to go the opposite of left 3, which means I'm going right 3 more. Opposite of left 3. Which lands me at 8. Let's clean this up and write the equation. You make your mess on the number line and use the equation to make it look all perfect. So, right 5, opposite of left 3 lands me on right 8. And finally, third and last one. Boom. Right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I count right this time? Right 5 and left 4. Switch colors to switch directions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lands me at right 1. Okay, I'm just going to write this equation and thank you for watching. Right 5 and left 4 landed me on right 1. And that's going to do it for this just short, quick little lesson, a few little practice problems. I'll see you again next time. Hey, thanks for watching so much. Goodbye.